Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Welcome to today's episode of our 30 days 30 side dish recipes. What we bring for you today is a very special recipe known as white kurma. This is a specialty served in South Indian restaurants, especially with chapathi, parota, idiyappam or even with set dosa. Very mild in flavor and exotic in taste. Let's try this. White, creamy and full of flavor. This white kurma is rich, mild and so addictive. Once you try it, you will never go back to your plain gravies again. For this I have taken about 1.5 cups of mixed vegetables, cauliflower, carrot, beans and green peas. Washed and chopped them into small pieces. 1 large onion finely sliced and 1 green chilli slit. For the masala, half cup of fresh grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of this roasted gram or chutney dal, 1 teaspoon of Saunf or FennelSeeds, 2 to 3 green chillis, 1 small piece ginger. I have taken 3 cloves, you can take 3 to 4 cloves, and just 1 pod of garlic I have taken. This is optional. If you don't want to add garlic at all, you can proceed with the recipe without the garlic also. First we will grind the masala. So in the blender jar, take in your fresh grated coconut, green chilies, ginger, just that 1 small pod of garlic for the hint of garlic, that's all. Cloves, fennel seeds, roasted gram and cashew. Add water and grind it all into a smooth and creamy paste. See, this paste gives this kurma its signature creamy color and silky texture. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. First add in the sliced onions. Saute it till the onions become translucent. The onions have become translucent now. Add the green chilies and also the chopped mixed vegetables. I have not added tomatoes because I want to retain that white color of the kurma, so I am not adding tomato. Also I am not adding haldi, that is turmeric powder also, for the same reason. Add salt and cook till the vegetables are nearly done. See, when the vegetables are about 50% done, now add this ground paste to it. See how creamy and silky it is. I am just adding some water to my blender jar to remove all the masalas from it. Mix it all well together. Keep the flame low and continue cooking till all the vegetables have become well cooked and soft. I am just taking 1 tablespoon of homemade curd. Take fresh curd and just beat it so that it is nice and smooth. See, our vegetables have all cooked well and our white kurma has reached the perfect consistency. Just add in this beaten curd. This is just for extra creaminess. Now don't boil it too much after adding the curd. Just after about 30 seconds we can switch it off. Otherwise it will curdle. So it's important to beat it and then switch it off within half a minute. See, it is boiling well now. We will switch it off and then I am just adding a spoon of coconut oil on top. You can either add coconut oil or ghee, but I prefer the flavor of coconut oil in this. Remove it from the stove and just add about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk on top just before serving. This is optional. If you like, you can add, but it adds a lovely flavor and taste, texture to your white kurma. I am just frying some puris, which is a perfect combo for this white kurma. And that's it. Rich, creamy white kurma, ready to be enjoyed with poori, or even you can pair it with chapathi or dosa too. If you liked this creamy, subtle white kurma, please hit the like button, subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, share the recipe with your family and friends, and tune in again tomorrow for our next episode of 30 days, 30 side dish for breakfast recipes. Thank you.